Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. So you guys, this is our last big grocery haul of 2024 as we make preparations to jump into the pantry challenge. We are going full-fledged into the pantry challenge starting next week, which is the first week of January. And I will be sharing some meal ideas with you, some things that the kids and I think we can make with the things that we already have. But I wanted to make sure that I stocked up because remember, we're going back to full keto with this January, for sure January, and we're probably going to be moving into the more higher proteins, lesser carbs, moving into 2024. That's for sister and myself to make sure that we can maintain any weight loss that we have had at this point, and we just want to be diligent over that. So let me share with you, I did get a couple things for stocking up and then a couple things just for meals. So we'll start over here. I picked up pork rinds. Now I like a little bit of a crunch, and chips usually does that, but I don't want to do chips. So I got these hot honey pork rinds, and I got these Pasilla chili cheese pork rinds. They're both gluten-free. Southern recipe. They were both $2.99. I picked up toilet paper and paper towel. Always want to get those on a stock up whenever I can. We picked up our traditional customary almond milks. The kids like the original. I do the unsweet vanilla. We picked up some heavy whipping cream, and then we also picked up 30 eggs. We're going to do some pork chops tonight, so I got this sweet and spicy, no sugar added Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And I picked up some zero sugar chocolate caramel creamer for my coffee. Picked up a big thing of the extra virgin olive oil because we are out of olive oil, and so I needed to get that. Picked up some queso blanco dip for my pork rinds, but also just for some regular cooking. I got 2 of those. They were on sale this week. Picked up 4 of the Oikos 000 yogurts. They were on sale as well. I picked up this no sugar added sweet relish because we do have chickens and I want to make chicken salad. We're not quite doing keto yet. We still have a few more days. So I picked up 2 red pears because I like those. I'm going to have those for a snack. For stock up preps, I had this ragu roasted garlic parmesan. 4 of those, they were $2 each, which was a really good deal. And then the Truvia Complete, the brown sugar was $6.99, but there was a coupon for $2 off. And then the granular sweet complete was $6.99, but there was also a $2 off coupon. I picked up some whole milk. I meant to get Greek yogurt, and that's plain yogurt. Dang it. I meant to get Greek yogurt. Well, it's okay. We'll use it anyway. I was going to make Nourish Bowls for the dogs, but Greek yogurt is what they suggested. But anyway, we'll use that. 2 blocks of cream cheese, 1 thing of butter, and then some Carb Smart chocolate ice cream. I got some almonds. Now, I get this out of the produce section. They're much cheaper than buying them out of where the nuts are. And I got this to go with my yogurt. Picked up some of these chocolate chips. They were on a closeout deal for $3.88. 2 things of sliced cheese. I picked that up. And then we get into our meats section. So I got some red hot links. This is a large pack. Picked that up. 2 things of the Philly. This is the sandwich steaks. They were buy one, get one free. I got 3 pounds of the turkey meat, which we can do a couple meals with that. And then I picked up 3 of the bone-in pork chops because they were marked down with yellow tickets. Less than $6 each of those. And then we also picked up some boneless, this is some blade steak for just meat. Also picked up some onions, and then we picked up 2 things of the half calf coffee. This was on sale for $6.99. The regular decaf coffee was $10 and change. So $4 more. So I just got a half calf. It's a medium roast. I really like a robust coffee, but it's okay. This was cheaper this week. So this is stock up preps. Preps here. This is preps here. And then everything else, we just added it into the budget. So I had $120 for groceries. That was just to finish us up for the year. $50 for preps, which was $170. Everything here cost me $187 and some change. So I took $10 extra out of a different fund just to finish off the groceries for this end of the year, moving into our keto week. So we're going to share with you a couple of things that we could actually do for meals, because we're going to do our 30 meals we can make with our stock up preps. So we're going to share that with you guys in another separate video. But this is our grocery haul for this week. Again, this is our final wrap-up video. We are having pork chops, barbecue pork chops tonight for dinner. Any of this stuff is open for snacks and different types of things like that. But this is it for us as we move into our keto January, in our low spend January. So anywho, there it is, the grocery haul. We are following this up with another video, which will be 30 meals we can make out of the things we have in our pantries, fridges, and freezers. So we do want to thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys the next time. Bye now.